Good morning, guys. Oh, I don't have a hat. It's okay. I think we'll make do. Yeah, it's wicked early. I mean, it's 3, but I wasn't really expecting to wake up at 3. But, here we are. Let's have some coffee about it. Okay. Well, how is everyone? I feel like that parent who's waking up early to take their kids somewhere, we're getting ready for a road trip or something with the kids, or Christmas morning. It's got that real parent sleepy vibe when you're waking up early for the kids to get them ready, and you're tired. You're waking up. Oh. Okay. Well, man, I picked up my guitar yesterday. I haven't played in a while since. Yeah. I'm so excited to be back in the city to play music again. I was planning on touring. My son's mom and I picked the location where my son is. It was specifically we had a lot of reasons for picking it, but I was planning on touring. And I picked so I could tour the East Coast all within a day. So I would do a non-traditional tour. Just I don't know, the East Coast. Play New York in a day, come back. Toronto, back. Philly, all kinds of stuff. Anyway. Okay, so got some parent vibes here. Perhaps some of you are, yeah. If you're all around my age and older, you could have kids that are teenagers and perhaps are playing music. Perhaps you play music and are touring. Hey, maybe I got some artists in the crowd. Let's talk about it. I love the fact that so many of my artist friends too now are artists, where you see it more in the community, and seeing how people, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, I've got some artist parents in the crowd. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I wish I had a hat about it though. It is chilly. I need a toque. I want my green one with that purple. Oh, I take the red one. Okay, guys, hold on. I gotta get cozy. I wish I had my Snuggie on. Oh, I could put it on. I just need a toque. Okay, hold on. It's even early. Even Bonita, good old Bonita, she came here for a sec, and she was I just saw her and her back in her kitty cat bed. She says, no, Dad. Normally she's so annoying. She'd march right over her and meow her head off, but it's one of those, I'm getting fall. I get a lot of fall feeling in my readings. Yeah, it's got real fall. Maybe I have some Libras or Scorpios? Nice. Okay. Yeah, c'est foi, as we say over here. Yeah, look, I'm like a little munchkin. Guys, speaking of munchkin, this munchkin's about to turn 44. Summer solstice. Last day of Gemini. You know what I love? I love that my son is the first day of Gemini and I'm the last day of Gemini. I don't know why. It feels really special to me. Man, not only did I get blessed with the best human being of my whole existence, not even my son, he is literally the best human being I've ever met. So not only did I get blessed in that way, but to have a Gemini cat daddy to my little kitty, and he always says he's my little kitty too. He is. Yeah, I just need to have a little son appreciation post. Yeah. I can't wait to continue to see who becomes. And you don't know. Sometimes it's scary because sometimes your kids can have free will. You can do your best, and sometimes they become their own human beings. But he's magic. Okay. What cards do we want to pull from? If he were here right now, ooh, him and I really connect. He's really psychic. And I've been dreaming about him almost every night, which is honestly, it's just literally the best, because I really do believe that I'm connecting to him. Yeah, I can hear him. He has his own little tarot card deck. Oh yeah, I can really feel him sitting. Oh, he would love this. He would love sitting here right now in my lap, and he has his own little cards. Oh my god, he was about 2. His little tiny fat hands trying to shuffle like me, because I gave him his own little deck, but he would just go like this. Yeah, he would love this. Okay. Well, I feel like he is here, so I'm just gonna pretend like he is and just talk to his little kitty cat spirit. Alright, my dear. Which deck do you think Dad should use today? For the collective. Oh, you're right, dear. Yeah, he is asking for a specific deck, but you know what? It's not here. Okay, well. Okay, I think you like this deck, my dear. Yeah, he hasn't seen this deck yet. Yeah, I feel like I got some real parents in the crowd. Big time. Big time artist parents. Yeah. Yeah, I love my kids. Literally more than anything. It's so crazy to make a statement like that, and it's like the truth. I love my son more than anything in all of existence. Well, look at that. We have the 6 of coins to the King of Swords. Someone's feeling very singy right now. Like, out of nowhere, I just wanted to go pick up my guitar and just sing out this whole reading. Wow, got 9 of Cups. Okay. I feel like the King of Swords has been coming out a lot. I feel like because we're in Gemini season. Ooh, I'm feeling it. Ace of Swords. You know how I feel about telling the truth. Coming forward. Speaking up. Anything. Just talking. Yeah. Gemini season, baby. We're talking about it. Yeah, Ace of Swords all day, every day. Yeah, you gotta fight for your right to fucking talk about it. Literally, right now. We have to fight for our right. We're watching all of our civil and human freedoms just being wiped off the face of the planet. But you know what? In this city, we love protesting. Oh my god, this is a very activist-based city. It's one thing I also love. I saw all these protests yesterday. That's also part of my gratitude. I'm so grateful for people who are physically putting themselves on the line every day to fight the good fight. Fucking bless up. We all have our role right now. We are all playing our role. But to the people who are using their voices, and I was thinking about that because they were singing these beautiful melodies at the protest. And again, throat chakra and being empowered, but like there is something about a good march and in people coming together to use their voices, very moving, especially, and like these were some, like, I don't know, there's one song in particular, very moving. Okay, so I have the 8 of coins. Here, did I forget to show you guys? Ay. Ace of Swords. Meow. Oh, you go over there. Yeah, it's really weird. I have this one song in my head. I want to play the guitar. I feel like my son's on my lap, and he's hanging out and chatting. And it's really weird because I want to say his name, but I'm one of those parents that I don't like to show or mention too many things about my kiddo because I like to keep my kids safe. And as seen by the internet, sometimes things get weird. But, yeah. Yeah, he's a little bum. Parenting is like living in New York. That's exactly what it was. Because it's so hard, but it's so great. And it's not hard all the time, but to think that it's not hard in ways that you just can't imagine until you do it. But like, literally the most rewarding thing I've ever done. Well, look, we got a little page of coins. 8 of Wands. Okay. High Priestess. Very nice. Oh, we got the Hermit. Sorry, folks. I'm really trying to get a sense of who this person is on the left and like what the story is here. We're just the 5 of Wands, to be honest. So we have someone generous coming in to speak a truth, and they have an offer. What I do like about these aces is that it is always a hand with a flower, like an offering. So yeah, this person has a generous offer. I'm guessing collective, you're the King of Swords in this. You don't have to be. You could be the generous person going towards the King of Swords. Oh. Hold on. Here, let me show you what I'm starting to see. Spirit was starting to point out, because I was like, I don't know, there's something about the 5 of Wands that I just can't quite, but then Spirit was like, oh, look up. Yeah, when in doubt. That's what Spirit always tells me. When in doubt, always look up. Okay, so there's something about, okay, the grass, the flowers. Oh yeah, like they're showing me like a big field, like corn, like really tall. Because if I put this on top, yeah, I'm seeing myself in a big cornfield. Hey, perhaps some of you literally have a cornfield. I love that. My mom lived in Alberta. She lived real rural, and there was just all these beautiful farm fields. I love all landscapes. I can't pick one. I love them all. I love the desert. I love the prairies. I love mountains. I love the rainforest. I love the open plains of like Mongolia and like parts of Tibet. I don't know. I just moved by it all. I would love a cornfield. Actually, I did live close to cornfields, but back in the city, it's the price you pay. It's okay. I'm gonna be rural again. I just know it. I'm gonna get my land, guys. I am gonna get my land. Yeah, the winds of change are blowing. I was just outside, getting a finger on the pulse. The winds of change are blowing. It's a little bit also, I don't know. It could be, no, I was out there. I felt it. It's the winds of change. Yeah, getting land. Cornfields. Yeah, okay. Sorry, cornfields really threw me. Somebody really loves nature. Oh, well, if you're artist parents, because I feel like all of us, I was just speaking about this yesterday, I even said like 60% of us have our land in our studios and like our homes and things that we're building out on the land. We're leaving the city. Yeah, almost everyone. There's just a few of us left, the 40%, and we're doing it. I'm telling you, the next 4 years, we are all 100% of my peeps. We're all gonna be, more of us are gonna be buying land together. I'm excited about it. Well, sorry, I'm not understanding. Spirit's trying to show me something. Okay, sorry, 8 plus 3. Spirit is pointing out these specific 3 flowers. And Spirit is saying 8 plus 3. Okay, so that's 11. Then we have 2 8s. Like, it's not rocket science. Like, something good is coming in. For sure. I'm just being thrown... Maybe that's what part of it is, because something's coming in quickly. Or maybe just this King of Swords is just like... I don't know. There's there's... How am I this daft? Oh my god, sorry guys. It's competition. Yeah, okay, so somebody's competing for this King of Swords. Yeah, I said this in my last Gemini reading. Oh, it's Gemini season, babies. Here we go. Yeah, everybody wants a little bit of the Gemini. Geminis are great, except for when they're not. I'll always use Trump and Kanye West as an example of that. Ay, ay, ay. Well, we have the Hermit here. There's lots of Mercury. Could be a Virgo. Yeah, competition for this King of Swords. Yeah, Gemini daddy. Okay, well... Okay, so, well, let's just clarify. Ooh, I just got really hungry. But with that nausea. Oh, my sister's like this. My sister, if you wake her up before 8 a.m., but like in the 5 a.m., 6 a.m., or 3 a.m., like every time I have to drive her to the airport, she throws up. Like early mornings make someone nausea. Yeah, I'm like hungry. Ooh, someone wants like a blueberry muffin. Someone's really specific right now. Is it my son? Like, is my son... I mean, it is really early. Oh my god, guys, imagine. He was like in the dream state hanging out with me. Yeah, I can feel his little legs. You know when you just know how your kid sits on your lap? What am I going to clarify with? Alright, my little kitty. What do you think? Yeah, he just feels like he's sitting on my lap. Oh, you want crows because of the crows. Oh, you're so smart. He would say that. I really do. I honestly feel like he's sitting on my lap. Fuck, he's the cutest. Not all kids are cute. I'm not one of those people that's delusional. I say that with love. I say that as someone who has done children's programming. I've worked in kids camps. I was a nanny. Like, I've raised kids. Even when I was a kid, I raised kids. I was always taking care of people's kids. I raised my sister. So not all kids are fucking cute. But, and I say this because he's just magic. I'm telling you, he's literally the most special human being I've ever met. It's not just me. The whole world just is affected by him. I see it all the time. And I think, oh my god, it's not just me. He is magic. And that's why I feel like so blessed. It's an honor to be his dad. Like, truly. Oh boy, we got a 5 of coins here. Oh, the 5. Yeah, the competition. Because look, this is the 8 of wands. There's really no reason to have 5 birds. Oh, are 5 people about to be... Is it not competition? Is it like just basically, does this King of Swords have 5 dirt-kicking snakes that are all about to eat shit? Because it's Gemini season? Oh my god. Oh my god, Spirit, can I be part of this collective message? If there's good shit going down with dirt-kicking snakes that have been really fucking with the King of Swords, oh, can I please be in this pile? I don't know what Spirit's gonna decide, but since this seems to be... Oh my god, am I just gonna do Gemini readings now until the end of... till my birthday? Guys, it's on, and you know what? I'm gonna keep those videos up. The Gemini readings, they can stay up. It's Gemini season. Yeah, no mom, no rules. It's my house. Okay. Yeah, we have 5 idiots about to eat shit. They're about to be left out financially. Ooh, birzies. Yeah, and I was saying fall. Ooh, it's about to get frosty for 5 people. Oh, yeah, I really want to call my son's nickname. Well, I guess I can use his nickname because you will never be able to connect his real name to his nickname. Yeah, in the fam, we call him Sai. Yeah. Oh, Sai, you nailed it with the birds, my guy. Yeah. Ooh, this is my prison card, like actually going to jail. This came up when I first started to do readings. Like in my earliest videos, there was some real fucking karmics going down. They were eating shit. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Do, 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 do. And someone's going to be celebrating. I think it's going to be this King of Swords. Yeah, what do you think about that, Sasa? He also gives very sound advice. I can literally... I know it sounds really way out there. And like, guys, if you've seen any of my videos, I don't normally talk like this. His presence is really strong, but I have been dreaming of him every night, and it is really early. Oh my god, that even just as an idea, even if it isn't real, it just delights me to think that in the dream world, my son could be here. I always miss him. Oh my god. He's the best. Yeah. Oh, remember when I said 2 of Pentacles? The juggling. Well, okay, so it's the 2 of Pentacles, but there's 3 crows. Yeah, Sasa is really pointing out he's counting. He doesn't miss a goddamn thing. That kid sees everything. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, you know when your kids count? Oh, it's a little stuffy, raspy, low voice. Oh my god. Sorry guys, you're just gonna have to literally hear me also do this reading and talk about my son. He's very much present, and he is the fucking bee's knees. Doing a road trip with him? Oh, cruising with him? Ace of Cups, look at this. Okay, well, it seems like 5 fucking dirt-kicking snakes are about to eat shit, and some of them might be going to jail. Ta-da! Love it. And, so then we have Celebration Station. Oh yeah, going back to options. This King of Swords might have 2 choices. I don't know, they keep pointing out the 3 birds, but then in the Ace of Cups, it's 2 birds. Somebody's. Oh, the 3rd wheel. So I've been having a lot of... It's weird that my son's coming through, and then all day yesterday and the day before, my son's mom. These memories, but I also mentioned our mutual, at that time, our mutual best friend. And then when my son's mom and I started dating, that friend got a little bit jealous and a little bit weird. Sorry, my phone said too much storage. Annie Hoodle. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Okay. So I suspect there's a 3rd wheel friend here. Okay. But let's clarify who this Ace of Cups is. Yeah, Sasa wants to know who's getting smoochy about it. 10 of Swords. What's that about? Queen of Pentacles. Oh. Hold on. Let me just clarify. Because they're pointing out the Hermit card that was on the other deck. And so I'm seeing the 3rd wheel is a Virgo, and they're feeling the 10 of Swords right now. Oh boy, they really want to communicate and come rushing in. Because they see you about to fly off. Now, this doesn't have to be a Virgo. It doesn't even have to be an Earth sign. But they're showing me a Queen of Pentacles type. That is literally... Okay. Okay, so who's... Oh, to the 7 of Wands. Holy competition, defending... people eating shit, sandwiches. Knight of Cups. King of Swords. What is going on? Gemini. Oh, yeah, sometimes we do. We do attract all types. Things tend to get flavorful sometimes with us. And the Eight of wait, is this? Yeah, this is the Eight of Pentacles. Look, there's 3 birds again. Oh my. Okay, so not only is there competition for this King of Swords, and there's like this weird third wheel, could be a Virgo, who's like in the Ten of Swords. Then we have this Ace of Cups. Then we have 5 dirt-kicking snakes. Some of those in the dirt-kicking snakes could also be competing for the King of Swords, but I definitely feel like there's 3 that are really about to eat some, I think all 5, but all 3, yeah, Spirit is saying 3, because I'm seeing the 3 in the tree eating shit the hardest. Ooh, now we got a Queen of Cups. Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, Spirit, because I also feel like my phone's going to be really weird again, trying to turn off and say that the storage is full when it's not even. My son also does that. You know, when your kids are like, I'm full. Yeah, they're full on the full side of their body. For the healthy side is all full up, but yet they can eat cake. Hey, I got that. I ate a whole cake yesterday. Not mad about it. I'll tell you right now. No mom, no rules. I eat really healthy, and sometimes I don't. And when I don't, I really don't. I'm not mad about it. Okay. Okay. You know a movie they just showed me? And I think it's because I say okay a lot. Okay. Do you guys remember that movie with Joe Pesci and Marissa Tomei? Okay. That's what it is. Whoever's coming, some of you have someone coming towards you. That's a Marissa Tomei. I also believe, I'm almost 99.9% certain her birthday is December 19th. I know she's a Sag. Fire has been coming through all of my Gemini readings. Gemini and fire, baby. Oh, man. Okay, can we get a confirmation on that? Do we have a Marissa Tomei? King of Swords. Wow, King of Swords to a King of Swords. Oh my god, it's an air sign. That's going to look like Marissa Tomei. Well, that is... I mean, a Sag is also basically like a Gemini. They're our direct opposite. And celebrating. Oh, yeah. Well, King of Swords to a King of Swords. A Gemini with a Gemini is a celebration. I have thoroughly enjoyed. You know what's so interesting about a Gemini dating a Gemini? Very rarely do we fight with one another. It's the best. It's just easy. And you know what's even easier? Is communicating with a Gemini. That is literally communication station. Oh, no, it is. It's literally a talk fest. It is a festival that goes on for years of communication. Except for when we're quiet. Okay, now we have some Libra. Wow, okay, so justice. Eating shit, going to jail. Oh, man. Well, the King of Swords could be a Libra. Oh, a Libra. Queen of Wands or a Leo. Oh my god. And there's 2. And there's 2. Kind of flummoxed. There's so much energy. It's like, it's the winds of change. I don't know what's going on in this reading. There's a lot of stuff happening. All I know is that people are eating shit. It seems like a lot of people are competing for this King of Swords. There's more air signs. There's all types of people on here. But what we do know, there's, going back to this original energy, sorry, my allergy is about to blast off here. Because the wind's blowing all that pollen around. Oh, excuse me. Oh, Mon Dieu. This King of Swords is about to have a blast. Because also the energy is like, it's blustery. It is like this. It's like, even though there's like kind of a lot happening, oh, Gemini can handle it. Like, this is nothing. This is Yeah, blow it around, and also because we're fine. And also because we are kind of like a quiet cat. Like, we can just exit. Like, you know, take a peek in, have a laugh, observe, and then we're out of there. Now we got 2. Okay. Very quickly, let's clear sections. Okay, tell me about the people that are eating shit. Can we get a bit more on that story so we can just put that to rest, put that to the side, and then we're just going to go through and clear it all up. It's clarified by the 5 of Pentacles again. Yeah. 3 are really going to eat shit. Actually, no, they're all going to eat shit. Actually, no, they're pointing out 2. Okay, there's 2 in particular. There's 3 that are still going to eat shit. Just a little bit less than these 2. There's 2 in particular that have done something. They're about to really... Maybe they're the ones that are going to jail. It's 2 people. Judgment! I'm telling you. There's 2 people going to jail. Ooh, I want to start singing Christmas songs again. Yeah, there's a real Scorpio vibe here. Someone getting justice? I mean, we have judgment and justice here. Oh, yeah, ho, ho, ho. Oh, I can feel my son kicking his legs. Everyone's excited. He loves... His favorite song, too, is Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas. Did all of you want for Christmas is for these pieces of shit to go to jail, for there to be justice? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's Gemini season, baby. I need a tambourine for this section. I need a tambourine for when I do readings. It's going to be maybe for my birthday. I'm getting a tambourine for my tarot card readings. Mr. Tambourine Man. The googly-eyed tarot card reader of the internet. The devil. My guys, we cannot make this shit up. Guess who's going to jail? The devil. Oh, yeah. And guess what? Going to that 3 of Cups? The 3 of Pentacles. This is beautiful. Now, you know what's funny? Guys, you're going to get so sick and tired of me. No, I'm not even going to mention it. Never mind. No. We're going to put that to the side. Oh, man, that was a big shivery. Oh, man. Justice is here. Justice. Oh, my God. Gemini season. Gemini, you are about to get the biggest, fattest justice of your fucking life. I want to pull cards on it. The light seers. Yeah, we want light energy because it's Gemini. We are light. We're light. We're lithe. We're fast as fuck. We process shit. We're just basically like... You know, like that new computer that has like the fastest like processing, it solved some kind of theorem within like 5 minutes that would normally take us, I think they said like it would take humans 1 trillion years to be able to fucking get through that. That's a Gemini, baby. Like, we process our emotions. It's a supercomputer. So Geminis already have a little bit of ADHD. That's why I really present as such. Trust me when I say I wish I did so that I could get the medicine. It's like, seems to be the one medicine that all my friends who do have ADHD are like, it works. And they haven't figured out. Oh my God, the Queen of Pentacles is back out here. The Sun, the 7 of Swords. We had that Queen of Pentacles before, did we not? Gemini, I know it's a Pentacles card, but like, I honestly feel like this is how you're gonna feel when these people eat shit. There is going to be peace in the valley. Hold on. Spirit's giving me 2 gospel songs right at the same time. But Spirit really loves to, real DJ, like I'm talking blending. Oh yeah, okay, we got that one. Okay, what's the other one that you're playing? Separate, so I can hear it. Won't be long. Yeah, the 2 songs are almost they're not similar, but I don't know. Oh yeah, get ready. It won't be long. Like, yeah. Ooh, and that one song, oh yeah, get the tambourine. It's got a great BPM. It's like, hallelujah. This is it. This is literally the feeling. And maybe there's even money involved. All I know is like Gemini baby. Yeah, even some, yeah, Sai saying, yeah, Gemini baby. King of Swords. Oh my fuck. There's 3 King of Swords here. There's 3 fucking King of Swords. I'm sorry. I almost just wanted to cover my son's ears. I don't swear around my son. Every now and again I do drop a Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I'm just human. I try to keep it to cinnamon sticks. We have 3 King of Swords. If this is not... Oh, and look who's on the bottom here. MP Emperor. Well, I did talk, again, the Gemini fire combination. Do I have a lot of Geminis about to meet their soulmates as a fucking fire sign? I'm telling you, I do. I love Aries. I have the most fun with Aries. No, I have fun with all 3, but in terms of who's really good for me is Aries, because I'm an introvert, and Aries, they're doers, which I love, but they do everything, whereas I am a little bit more reserved. So I love Aries for that, because they get me really up and at them, and I love that. So I love Aries for that, plus it's always hot. Fire signs and air signs, that shit's hot to trot. Leos, I can feel a Leo a million miles away. Always have, always will. It's the only sign. As soon as I have a ka-ching, I'm like, oh, that's a Leo. And then I'll ask, and it's every single time. Sorry. They keep showing me... I'm just not going to mention it. I don't want to. And then Sag. You know, I've fallen in love with many a Sag, and I have not once dated a Sag, which is crazy. Because, like, really, Gemini and Sag are like 2 peas in a pod, and maybe that's why. It's because we're too fucking similar. I don't know, but I do love a Sag. The mind of a Sag. Yeah, they are philosophical again. Ugh. Yeah, each one draws out. But there's 3. And then we have the 3. Okay, hold on. What is going on, Spirit? Because we're getting long now. I gotta end this. Well, each sign has its own thing. I wish you could kind of blend them all together. Oh, maybe you are meeting someone. You're like an air sign with a bit of... I don't know at this point. Something's... King of Wands. We do have fire and air, guys. Like, there are 3 Kings of Swords. King of Swords. Oh, yeah. Gemini, you're about to... This is your birthday gift. I just feel like 5 of your greatest enemies are about to eat shit. 2 are going to jail. You have suitors up the wazoo. But the one who is coming to claim the throne is a fire sign. Or a Libra. It could be a Libra with a huge... Like, their rising's a fire sign, and all of their Venus, like, I don't know. There's so much air and fire. It's hot to trot. Oh, man, I'm going back to being hungry and nauseous again. What's going on in this reading? Okay. Okay, one more card. So, outcome for this relationship. So, tell me, Spirit, Grandma... 4 of Pentacles? What's this about? Oh, we're back to this devil energy. Yeah, like that hermity, that person could be a Virgo. Yeah, there's someone who's just like, the devil is just like, okay, I'm not asking about that. Did I say that? No, it's the devil. Back off. Get your own sandwich. Okay, tell me about this MP Emperor. Or is the MP Emperor a 4 of Pentacles? Okay, tell me about the MP Emperor to the King of Wands. Hanged Man. Okay, well. It's so weird. This window is high enough that no one could be tall enough where I could see their head walk by. But all morning, I keep feeling like I'm seeing someone walk by. Is that how it's gonna go down? Walk by? And the winds of change are fucking blowing. I'm about to, after I film this, I'm getting suited up. It's a bit chilly. Got cold again. It was like 30 degrees. Now we're back down to like 10. But it's invigorating. So I want to get out there and get that. Okay, what's this 5 Swords about? Oh, it's these people. Look, the 5 crows again. Can I just... Okay, it's because the devil cards face up. We're putting it face down. Not interested. I'm looking at the sun card. That, oh yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. That's you. Now we got this delicious fucking golden honey bear, lion, fucking cat daddy fire sign. Oh man, okay, I'm just gonna say it. Like, Gemini, you're about to start having the best sex of your fucking life. Yeah, successful, but this is also the passion stick. It's on fire. Yeah. Oh man. Again, the combination. Besides fire and fire, like Scorpio and fire signs together, like no one's gonna have more sex than Gemini and a fire sign. Just straight facts. Straight facts. And I did see a rabbit. Where did I see that rabbit? It was with that other Queen of Pentacles that I thought was the Hermit, the Virgo. Anyway, but there was a rabbit on there. Yeah, doing it like rabbits. Okay, just tell me about the outcome between Gemini and the fire sign. I can feel the sex. What did I just say? Sex galore to the Ace of Cups to the 10 of Cups. Wish fulfillment, Gemini baby. This is it. This is it. It's our season. Even if this, even if this reading isn't for me, I'm still here. I want all of my Gemini peeps. I can just tell we really deserve it. This is it, baby. Your enemies are literally going to jail. You have people vying for your attention, as they would and as they should. We are interesting. I love Geminis. I love my fire signs too. I feel you. Okay, well, you're about to just, yeah. Good, and like also, like someone's still, we go back to that original energy. Someone's like coming in with a juicy offer who's generous. Yeah, there's so much good shit here. It's it's an interesting read. It's gonna be, I don't know. This was an interesting read. Yeah, very Gemini. But the feeling is light though. Even though it seems a bit chaotic and there's a lot happening, this is you. Like, again, Gemini's good at when it's chaotic on the external, and not because they're chaotic, but we do tend to, I don't know, because we're like a butterfly. We get around, and we're curious, we're interested. So sometimes we do find ourselves some interesting, and people are drawn to us, but we're really good at finding calmness in chaos, to being like, you know, I don't know. Okay, well, Gemini. Blessings. Yeah, this little kitty too. Yeah, we agree. He loves being a Gemini. Exactly. Just from the first day of Gemini to the last day of Gemini. Just kisses. Yeah, Bezos. Okay. Delightful. I can't believe it, Gemini. Your fucking enemies are going to jail. Wow, what a birthday gift. Drop it like it's hot. Yeah, if that shit goes down, okay, whoever my Geminis are, if you want to share how this plays out for you, the story, what you get, what you receive, oh man, what a gorgeous reading. And I'm telling you, the fire and the passion. And it doesn't matter really, out of the 3 fire signs, all have benefits. Aries, great time. And all of them, you have great sex with. Because even though I never dated a Sag, I definitely have hooked up with Sages. And again, fire, man, I'm telling you. The physicality, the chemistry, it's so much fun. So much fun. There's all different types of way to connect, though. Beautiful. All right, Gemini. Big blessings, big fucking blessings to all of you. And happy birthday as it comes up for us. Yeah, every single day I'm just gonna be like, happy birthday, Gemini. Beautiful. Mwah.